In this video I'm just going to have a quick look at the canopy cover calculation function, which was inserted into version 6.01. So I'll start by opening the demo file. I'm not going to do this whole site, so I'm just going to pretend this is our site, this area here. So I need to first plot a site boundary and click plot. And I'm going to say it runs just along here. Maybe there's a fence there or something. And it can cross the road there, comes down there. Sometimes if you've been supplied with a proposed drawing, they'll have a red line on there and you can just trace over the red line. So then it comes down here, crosses the road, up here, and crosses the road. When you're doing a site boundary, you don't click on the start position to end it, you click close and finish, and Axciscape does it for you. So there's my site boundary. I can check its size. It's 0.866 of a hectare. Then I'm going to go to the canopy cover calculation, and it's now telling me I haven't designated any trees to be included. So what I need to do is go into the map settings and the layers, and I need to set the canopy layers to use the calculation. As you can see down here, there's a little box you tick. So if I select canopy A, B, C, I'll put U in as well. The unknown is just there in case you don't select a category, but all our trees are categorized. And the actual calculation function only uses the tree canopy north, south, east, west function and the outline function. So any of those functions included within these four layers will be included. And if I go back to the calculation now, it's saying it's ready to calculate, and it will hatch in the canopy cover and merge the hatches together. So because we're using north, south, east, west, we've got the individual trees, but because we're using the outline function, it's doing a nice linear hedge, the canopy for that as well. And anything over the red line is removed, so it's clipped to the red line. So we only include canopy cover within the red line. One more thing you can include is sketch items. If, for instance, say that all down this side there's woodland, they're a long way away from the boundary, they haven't been surveyed, but their canopy just overhangs the red line a bit in places. So you can draw something with the sketch. You could actually take measurements on site and say it hangs over 3 meters here, 4 meters there, whatever. We only care about what's actually hanging over the red line, so it doesn't matter what this looks like beyond the red line. So I'll just do that and close. So this is going to represent a rough edge of neighbouring woodland, and it just overhangs the road. So if I go down to the cover calculation, rookie mistake, select the line we just drawn, and you've got to click use for canopy calculation. So I'll click that, it hatches it in diamonds just to say that's been selected for canopy calculation. So now if I go down to the canopy cover, you can see those overhanging bits are now included in the calculation. So if I run this now, I would expect the percentage to be around 30%, 33 maybe, let's see. 29.2% canopy cover. And it will give you the area and the hectares. And that's basically it, really. It's quite simple. When you open this menu, it does sort of hide a few things which are unnecessary, and it make the map go grey just so you can see what's going on easier. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.